Okay, kids. So today I'm going to go over how to draw a bird. And this particular bird you're going to be looking at from underneath. So we'll be seeing its belly and its wings will be open. So it'll look like it's in flight, which is a nice view of the bird. And then there's a whole bunch of different things you can do to turn this into a specific bird. We're not going to be doing that. This is just going to be a general bird, but obviously with different specific colors or a specific beak, this could become a very specific bird. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make a teardrop shape here. I guess it's a long teardrop. And then I'm going to put this shape on the end. This is going to be the tail. Again, I'm doing this really light in pencil so I can make changes if I don't like it. And then from about here, I'm going to have wing areas come out to the sides. And this can be almost a semicircle here. This is just basically where I'm going to put it. This is not the exact shape that I'm going to keep. Now, you need a little indentation here to show that that's going to be a head. And then you can put the beak here. Now, like a long, thin beak, this would be a hummingbird. Short, curved beak, this could be like a cardinal. We're just going to do a basic beak there. And then the eye right about here, okay? And then I think I'm going to need the wings to come up, start a little higher on it, about there maybe. Now, the wings are going to have segments. There's going to be this part under here, and then this part under here. These are going to be shorter feathers, and then these can be some longer feathers. And then I'm also going to put 2 feet right about here. And that's going to connect to a tail. Let's make the tail maybe tuck in a little bit there. And then the wings are going to round here. So they don't really connect behind the bird. They tuck back in. So we're going to make that shape right here. Okay. And now the rest I can start to put in Sharpie. So let me grab my Sharpie and you'll be able to see this a little better. I'm going to start with the head. And then this line can come down right into the body. And then the feet would be something like this. They're just sort of tucked up under the body, like that. You can make long tail feathers on here. It doesn't have to be a specific shape or a specific design. You can just sort of fill it in like that. And then I don't actually want to connect this. That's like wind on my door. Hold on a second, let me see if I can fix it. There you go. When you have an old house, you have so many random noises. So I'm going to connect this to the wing instead of bringing this down to the body. So I'll put this here, and then I'll stop at the end of this short feather shape. Make this shape here. And now these can be kind of individual. shorter feathers, and then here these can go out to the long feathers. So if you want each one of these to be visible like this, you can. But you just want to turn it and fan it. So what I mean is this will kind of all, they'll turn and they'll radiate like that, like sun's rays. Put that like this. And now we'll put this one in. And then here. Let's do the other foot. And then we'll connect this to here. Like that. And then we need the beak seam and the eye. Okay. It is kind of hard for me to tell actually if this is done. I'm going to erase my pencil lines and then take a look. Okay, I erased my pencil lines and this is what I have. And I do think that it's pretty much done. I would say if I had to do it again, I would try to make the wings the same first feather on both sides. So if this one's rounded and that one's pointed, maybe I would have worked that out. And again, with some detailing on the belly, on the wings, you know, some specificity to the tail or the beak, you could make this an individual bird. And then of course you can do something really beautiful with the background of the bird. All right, kids, have fun.